So in the last class, what we had a discussion, we had a discussion about the incident. So today we will discuss about what is a problem. What is a problem? A problem is nothing but a simple scenario. So if you are getting a headache, what you will do? One day, so if you are getting headache, one day you will do some medicine and will do and will take some rest and will check it. If it is happening daily at 7 p.m. in the evening, so if it is getting daily, so you will think that something is going on wrong in your body. Then you will consult a doctor and you will follow the doctor instructions for the different steps, and you will explain the that means. So you will analyze why this was happening daily to me, which means that means we'll do the analysis, and we'll do the analysis, and we'll do the all the other things. So that means similarly in the service now also, if a incident is nothing but yesterday we had last class we had a discussion, an interruption of service is called an incident. So now what we will do is, now an incident is happening repeatedly, that's a problem. So that means, for example, your laptop is not working, then you have rebooted your laptop, so then successfully it is fine. So it is happening every time. Then you will analyze that something is going wrong in the laptop, and you have to fix that one. So at that time, maybe you can replace the motherboard, or you can replace the different hardwares, or maybe check with the OS. There are a lot of things we will do. That is a problem. The problem is nothing but correction of an incident is happening repeatedly. It's a problem. So this is the basic thing. Now we'll see in the service now how the problem was implemented. So basically, this problem will be created by the ITIL users. End user cannot raise a problem request as per the standard functionality. Okay. Now see, this is the problem form in the one. So the number this will come automatically, and this problem table also has extended from the table called task table. The incident, problem, change, request id, catalog task, and these are all tables, core tables for the ITSM. These are all extended from the uh, what you called task table. So now what we will do is, so now what we will do is the first reported. The first reported is nothing but, that means it was reported by which one, whether it should be a change, whether it should be an incident. So for example, if I check with the incident, see, this is the incident lot of thing. So we can tell, I'm just picking a random one, and here also we can take the category and the subcategory, the same concept they used it. And the service, what are the yeah, service, that means what you had affected, we'll take it. I'm picking as all, and service offering. So what is it? That's a different one. So there are, for this one there is no service offering. And configurations. Configuration item is nothing but we can do it. I'm just making one, and I'm just making a test for problem demo. And this was done. And this setup, depending upon the impact and urgency, this priority also will change. So since we have set up in the backend, so that is a basic thing. And assignment group is if you want we can write a automatic assignment. Right now we don't have, so I'm just making as a assignment group as a software, and I'm just picking assign it to the one random. Oh my god, this is no, for this one there is no, so I'm just making as a hardware. My god, for this one also there is no user. Sorry for this. Okay, let me create it. I know why it was happened. See, I'm just going to create this one with the hardware group. So for the assigned it's not there, but in the hardware group, there are few people who are there. That's a hardware, right? I'm just opening hardware, but I can see in the hardware group there are few people who are also there, but still eight group people are there, but still the why this is people is not showing here, since see there are few people who are there, but still why it is not showing here. Here we have to check here. There is a restriction is there in the configure dictionary. In the reference qualifier, they have restricted here. So I'm just going to this problem field. See, in the dictionary override, see this assigned to field has taken from the task table. So what I am going to do is, see this is the problem field for it. See here if the user has problem underscore coordinator, then only this will be visible to them. They will be visible here. So that's the reason the user cannot see the problem for it. So what we will do is, so I'm just opening this one. See, this is the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just opening this group. So right now, if I see this one, we are not able to find any user. But if I open this group and I will add that problem coordinator role to this group. Problem coordinator. So if I open this one, if I open see, this is the event. That means if the problem the user want to should assign the problem ticket, then the user should have problem underscore coordinator. This is an out of the box feature. If you want to, you can customize this one also if you need, or else if you want to, you can use it, or else you can customize the as per our requirement. Right now, what we have done is we have can customize it for as per the one. So this is the one. So I'm just going to assign to one user the problem beta angling. So now, if see right now. the problem is assigned the one, and right now is if you have assigned anyone, the state will be assessed, and there may be chance to whether this problem is existing or is a duplicate. So what we will do is, I'm just we can, if you want to duplicate this problem, we can mark as a duplicate. That means we can that means there may be the user is already by mistake as a created, all we have since already we have a problem in this, so we can do it. So I'm just going to click on the confirm. If you confirm, the problem will be automatically created and it will go for the root cause analysis. Root cause analysis is nothing but we will call it as a RCA. That means they will analyze what is the problem and why it was happened here. And if you want to, you can add a incidents here. For example, I'm just going to add incidents here. So this is for our testing purpose. So whatever we have, we can add this all stuff. Active is to problem two. So I'm just going to one, two, three, four, and add selected. Now what happened? These are all added to the problem, and if you want to, this is the one. And if you want any problem task is nothing but what is the work which you have in the problem. We have to segregate the work. For example, for this problem, we need to work with the hardware team and we need to work with the software team, or we need to work with any other database team. Then we'll do the all the stuff. So that's one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a one problem task for it. See whether should be a root cause analysis or whether should be a general. I'm just going to create a general task. So general task, and the problem will come by default. The priority is low, and so hardware task, hardware. And just we can write any name. Hardware task. We can add any hardware group. Void agree. So we can create the task. So that means like that we can create a multiple task here. And if you click on start working, the state will be changed to the work in progress. So from here we'll do it, and whatever the user can cancel or update or whatever notes, you can add this one. You can close by one. And what I'm just going to change this as a complete. If I'm going to complete is nothing but this task will be closed it. And there are few fields are mandatory when you are closing the task. So I'm just making a testing. Testing one. So now the task is completed. I'm just opening the problem. Like that, we can create a multiple problem. Sorry, multiple transfer. And if you click on that fix, what happened? Fix in progress. That is nothing but we have did the analysis and we are working on a fix for it. So cause notice why this problem is came, and fix in progress. This is the one. So like that we can add them all the things, and if it's a fix in progress, and we can click on the resolve. If you click on the resolve, this will be go to the resolve state, and we can do the all the stuff. And if you click on complete, this will go to the closed state. And if you can see reanalyze nothing but by mistake or something we have done the reanalysis, will do the same thing. I'm just clicking on the reanalyze. So reanalyze with the, again it will come to the root cause analysis for this one. This is the basic thing. From here you can go to the fix, and from here you can go to the resolve. Then it will go to the automatically resolve state, and go to the complete sheet. This is the basic process in the for the problem. I hope you clear, right? I don't think this will not much require any coding. So this is the one. And if you go to the problem properties, see accept the risk. If you want to click the risk, it will go to the closed state to resolve state. So create a problem and a closed one. If you want to create one, you can create it. And who can reanalyze a cancelled problem? That means if the problem state is changed to cancelled, who can reanalyze? That means who can problem manager, coordinator. These are the groups you can get. I don't think this we don't require any other things for time being. Just check these all the ones. So this is the basic fundamental process in the problem. I hope you clear or still any confusion. Hello. Okay.